my video tutorial, I will provide you with help to remove the malicious pop-ups by the site Tycm.homes. Tycm.homes is a dangerous site that attacks Google Chrome and other browsers. It basically tries to make you download and install certain unwanted browser extensions, which actually may function as a browser hijacking extensions. So you need to be extremely careful not to interact with these pop-ups by the site Tycm.homes. And if you see these pop-ups, just leave this deceptive page. Don't install what these pop-ups could promote. If any junk extensions were mistakenly added, access the menu, go to Extensions, Manage Extensions, and then remove any of these junk extensions if you find them here on the list. Finally, there is a great software that you can use to get your entire computer cleaned. The software is called Combo Cleaner. Get it on the page combocleaner.com. Use the green download button. Install the software and start researching the computer with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, the program is initially in the trial mode, so only quick scan option is available. By the way, I forgot to mention that Combo Cleaner is available for Windows computers, for Mac computers, and for Android devices too. This information is clearly seen on the official website, which is combocleaner.com. So through this official site, you may download any preferred version, and even for iOS devices too. So all these 4 different operating systems can offer you the version for Combo Cleaner antivirus. So you need to click on the Start Scan button, and the program will begin researching and investigating your computer. First of all, the software will update its anti-malware database, which is definitely essential for proper detection and removal of any malware. So don't skip the update procedure. Wait until the scanning has been successfully accomplished. At the end of the scan, you will see the summary of threats, and we recommend upgrading to Premium, and you can request trial. Combo Cleaner will help you to remove all these threats automatically and keep your system free of other threats in the future.